You're still wondering whether to go to the nest. This is probably your last chance. If you want to make it before the Invincible arrives, it would be good to have you here. When they come, the journey there and back will take you about 12 hours.
No, I'm not going. I know it's a unique opportunity to get closer to this phenomenon, and I might never get another chance. But I've thought about it a lot, and I'd rather stay here with you. Now rest. You should save your strength for their arrival.
Ein paar Tage später.
Too heavy, hands become. Down you go, oh bright sun. Night is not that scary.
Da kommt sie.
At last, they've arrived. Rahitra, do you hear? They're landing now.
Hydra macht jetzt keine Scheiße.
Rahitra?
Yasna versorgt Hydra, der aufgrund von Schlafmangel vollkommen erschöpft ist. Als die Invincible eintrifft, verliert Hydra das Bewusstsein.
Sentient or not, they are the enemies of all protein life. Ergo, our enemies.
Just like that.
Yes. Please remember what we've learnt. Before the machines came to Regis 3, this planet was teeming with life. Before the cloud wiped out all its competition.
Wait, what species are you talking about?
Dr. Yasna found various traces of conflict, lasting for hundreds of thousands of generations.
Both living organisms and mechanical creators of the cloud, as well as other products of dead evolution. The list is quite long.
Hang on. Creators?
Yes. Millions of years ago, someone must have built primordial mechanisms. Machines could have self-built in successive generations, but something must have created them first.
I don't buy it. It's like some robot fables.
No, Rachel, these are no fables. We have gathered evidence for all this.
How did these machines even get here? Who built them?
Our cyberneticist had a hypothesis before we lost consciousness.
About the Lyrans.
Yes, that one.
Lyrans. It does ring a bell. Wasn't there a book about them?
The Craven's monograph. According to his notes, before the explosion of Zeta Lyra, the sixth planet of the system is inhabited by intelligent beings. Let's say their scout ship landed here and that a disaster occurred. Some kind of reactor explosion, chain reaction. Suffice to say, the wreckage that landed on Regis 3 had no living beings on board.
Only the machine survived.
And then what? They started bashing in each other's tin heads? Doesn't make much sense to me. Machines don't have emotion. They don't argue.
I'm sorry, but I don't know if there's any point in discussing this further. In short, we are facing an entity that has triumphed over countless adversaries, both organic and mechanical ones.
I see no point in prolonging this discussion. For me, the matter is perfectly clear. It makes no sense to bomb these creatures. I would even say it's a greater danger to us than to them.
But how else do you imagine defeating the cloud?
Well, that's the thing. I don't. It's invincible. Yes, sir. Do you agree?
Well?
Actually, I don't. I think we should proceed with the attack.
Even after everything you've learned, Doctor? After everything you've been through?
Because of it, we have to destroy the cloud.
Well, I still have significant concerns. You're the one there, not me. Maybe I'm not seeing the whole picture.
Well, indeed, Novik. I knew Yasna would understand. Now give me a minute. I'm almost done. See these switches? The ones on the launch control unit?
Alles klar.
Yeah, I see. Do I use them to launch the rockets?
Not yet. We use a button for that. The red one. Well,
Tja. Das fliegen die
watch your eyes.
Atomsprengköpfe.
This will clear the area of the flies. I can already see them melting. Take that, fucks.
Redra, they're flying this way.
What have you done?
Da kommen sie. Da kommen sie.
Astrogator, you must evacuate. Now. I'll join you later.
Yasna! Yasna, are you there?
All my legs are heavy, and the field is not inviting. Legs become too heavy, hands become too
Frau Hydra schlägt einen Atomschlag gegen die Wolke vor und Yasna befürwortet diese Idee. Mit der Explosion der Bomben entsteht vorübergehend der Eindruck eines Erfolgs. Plötzlich verdunkelt eine riesige Wolke aus Mini-Robotern jedoch den Himmel und senkt sich auf den Kondor ab. Die Fliegen bahnen sich ihren Weg in das Innere des Schiffs.